Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are doing well. Students, today we will solve the exercise of unit 2, that is computer security threats. So first of all, fill in the blanks. The first fill in the blank is dash is the protection against threats. So the suitable word is security. Security is the protection against threats. Second, dash infect other computers through computer network. So the correct answer is worms. Worms infect other computers through computer networks because worms spread through computer networks in our computers. Third one is dash is a program which delivers ads to your computers. Ads means advertisements. So the correct answer is adware. Adware is a program which delivers ads or advertisements to your computer. Fourth one is dash are the evil genius computer programmers, means hackers. Hackers are the evil genius computer programmers. Fifth one, dash programs protect your computer against virus attacks. So the correct answer is antivirus programs protect your computer against virus attacks. The second question is choose the correct answer. So MCQs. The first one is in computer security, a possible damage, loss or crime that may harm your computer is option A load shedding, B flood, C hacking and D threat. So the valid answer is threat, that is option D. Any possible damage, loss or crime that can harm our computer is called threat. Second, the most common type of security threat is option A virus, option B worm, option C adware, option D antivirus program. So the most common one is actually virus, and most of the time we face this kind of threat that our computers are infected through viruses. Third one is a threat that uses computer network to replicate itself, that is worm. Worm is the correct answer, which is option B. Fourth MCQs is Avira, Avast, AVG are the examples of computer virus, worm, adware, antivirus software. So these are actually the antivirus software which are available in the market. Avira, Avast and AVG and so many other antivirus softwares are also there, but these three are also examples of antivirus software. So option D is the correct answer. Fifth MCQs is dash is a program which delivers ads to your computer. So option A is virus, option B worm, option C adware, option D antivirus software, and the correct answer is adware, which is option C. Question number 3 is state true or false. So the first statement is threats are harmless. This is false. Of course, security threats are harmful. Second statement is there is no difference between computer virus and worm. This is also false because there is a difference between computer virus and worm. Virus needs a host while worm doesn't need any host to replicate itself, and it spreads through the computer network in our computers, while viruses make use of some host program or software through which it enters in our computers and corrupts our data and degrades the performance of our computer. Third is computer virus is a hardware. That is also false. Computer virus is actually a software, it's a program. which is self-executable, and it makes copies of itself most of the time, and it replicates itself in our computer. Fourth one is AVG is a computer virus. This is also false because AVG is a antivirus software. Fifth one, Symantec is the name of an antivirus program. This is true. Symantec is a antivirus software. Question number 4, match the columns. The first option is McAfee. So it is an antivirus software. So in the next column, option C is the correct answer, and both are highlighted with yellow color. Second is evil genius programmer. Of course, hacker is the valid option. So in the second column, option A is the correct answer, and both are highlighted with green. Third one is adware. Adware is harmless by itself, but it delivers aids to our computers, which consumes the processing power of our computer, and of course it slows down our computer. So third option is adware, harmless by itself. Option E is the valid word which matches with the adware, and both are highlighted with sky blue. Then fifth, that is security. So the correct option is B, protection against threats, and that's why both are highlighted with the same color, that is purple. Fifth one, ads. Ads are delivered by adware. Option D is the valid option, which matches to the fifth option, that is aids. So aids matches with adware, and both are highlighted with red color. So that's it for today. We have solved the 4 questions given in the exercise. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe my channel Computer Tuition Academy. Thanks a lot. Take care. Allah Hafiz.